Welcome to the Stat Tree video module for independent samples t-test. To test whether there are differences between two groups on some continuous variable, the independent samples t-test would be appropriate. You will need one categorical variable and one continuous variable in order to run this test. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, demographic question A is categorical with two nominal values. Any one of the scale questions 3 through 7 would be appropriate for the continuous variable for our demonstration. For this demonstration, we will use question 3. With the PEVS dataset open in Stata, you would choose gender as the independent variable and linear as the dependent variable. To run the independent samples t-test for differences, type in the following code in the command box. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module. Select the code. Press the Enter button on your keyboard. Stata will generate an output in the Results window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is the significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, we have met our significance criterion for a difference between the two groups on preferences for linear viewing of shows. Here are your test results. You would report these figures. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module.